How to uninstall Honey extension from your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove your Honey extension or any other extension, or how you can also temporarily on off your extension from your Chrome browser. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open up Chrome browser. So simply what you need to do for the uninstall or remove any extension or Honey extension. So first just click on this three dot option and go to the settings. Under the settings, just scroll down and your left side menu bar, just come to the very bottom and click on extension. Then the extension manager will be open and you can able to see all the web extension or plugins which you have installed on your Chrome browser. So in my case, I have this all extension on my Chrome. So from here you can temporarily on off this. I can temporarily off any extension, so it will be off for temporary from my browser. You can see if I off it, it will be disappear from here. If I on it, it will be appear again. So this is my Honey extension. I can temporarily on off it, and if you want to remove permanently, I need to just click on remove. Click on remove, then the one window will be open. Then here you can give the reason. So just select any reason or go to the others and type your reason and submit. So it will be uninstall automatically. Okay, you can also reinstall from here. So it is uninstalled now. So guys, I hope I just reinstall because I want it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.